Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty of Universe. I hope all of you are fine and doing very well. So guys, this video is about very beautiful and unique designs of US style collection. First go and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get my all new upcoming videos. Like my video and share it with your friends and your family members. Dresses in the United States come in a wide variety of styles reflecting the diverse fashion trends and cultural influences across the country. From casual sundresses to elegant evening gowns, there is a dress for every occasion and personal style. In the US, fashion trends vary by region, with cities like New York and Los Angeles often setting the tone for the latest styles. Designers and brands from across the country contribute to the vibrant fashion scene, offering everything from trendy streetwear to classic timeless pieces. Popular dress styles in the US include the little black dress, a wardrobe staple that can be dressed up or down, and the maxi dress, a flowy floor length option perfect for summer days or special events. Bodycon dresses are form-fitting and accentuate curves, while shirts dresses offer a more casual, relaxed look. So, the US fashion industry is also known for its creativity and innovation, with designers pushing boundaries and experimenting with new fabric skirts and silhouettes. Sustainable fashion is also gaining traction, with many brands focusing on eco-friendly materials and ethical production practices. Prom season is a big deal in the US, with high school students are often shopping for the perfect prom dresses months in advance. Styles range from glamorous ball gowns to sleek modern designs with a focus on expressing individuality and personal styles. Wedding dresses are also another significant aspect of US fashion, with brides to be often spending months searching for the ideal gown for their big day. Traditional white dress remain popular, but modern brides are also opting for colorful non-traditional options. Fashion icons and celebrities plays a significant role in shaping dress trends in the US, with red carpet events and awards shows serving as showcases for the latest designers creations. Social media influencers also have a powerful influence on fashion. So so uh, driving trends and promoting new styles. The US fashion industry is a multi-billion-dollar business, with major fashion weeks in cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Miami attracting designers, buyers, and fashion uh, from around the world. The industry is constantly evolving, with new designers emerging and established brands reinventing themselves to stay relevant. Dress codes vary across different settings in the US, from formal events requiring cocktail dresses or evening gowns to a more casual settings where sundresses or jeans and a nice top are appropriate. Understanding dress code is essential for navigating social and professional situations. Overall, dresses in the US reflect the country's diverse and dynamic fashion landscape, offering a mix of classic styles, modern trends, and individual expression that make fashion